Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can use Midjourney Discord bot. So first of all, you have to go to the website and then scroll down and you will see this option when you can click on web page of Midjourney Discord bot, and after you click, a page will appear in a page. So you have option of signing in with or you can join a beta or sign in with a Discord. So you should choose to sign in with Discord option. But hey, if you choose the better option, then whatever thing you make there won't be stored into your galleries. So your profile actually, so when you sign in with a Discord in a different page, you appear this page. As you can see that all the things you have made with the bot, it will pretty handy and it will sure to keep that in mind through the page you can download. So whatever thing you have made and edited, so yeah, after that, to actually start using the bot, let's join the Discord server. So you will see the other link, you can click there. You will see a Discord server group invite, and when you click that, it will make you join its server. In the server you will able to make it your art. And so how do you get started with the okay, so there is a newbie channel right here, but if you don't show up totally, okay, just refresh the page and it will definitely show up. That's how I got it anyway. Now head over and type in /imagine and you will see an option of prompt. In this prompt, whatever you type in the prompt header will be describing the art you want to make. So suppose here an example about a sky with stars, water background. So after I type, just hit enter and it will process the image and you will describe whatever you have described. And when it's doing that, it will take a little bit of time and sure till it shows 100%. As you can see, it will show 4 different images. These 4 different images will be the thing you have described, and you can choose which one you prefer the most, and you can even create a variation of that 4 images. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful and interesting. If you did, then like this page, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.